To begin, we will adjust some graphics settings. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab. In the right pane, select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Now you can expand the advanced graphics settings. Here, you will find an option for hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Please disable this option. Once you have completed those graphics adjustments, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list of display adapters. You will likely see more than one graphics adapter listed here. Right-click on the first display adapter and select Update Driver. Then repeat the process for the second display adapter by right-clicking on it and selecting Update Driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.